In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills in Xero. If you're a business owner or manage finances, this can save you time and ensure your regular expenses are always accounted for. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Xero, navigate to the Xero website and click on the login button. If you already have your credentials ready, great. Enter your email and password in the appropriate fields. Remember, keeping your details secure is important, so avoid saving passwords on public or shared computers. Once you've entered your credentials, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Business. It's from here that you'll handle most of your financial tasks. Within the Business section, you'll find a tab labeled Invoices. Click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage all your invoice related functions. Once you are in the invoices section, look out for the new invoice drop down. Clicking here will present you with a few options. For our task today, select new repeating invoice. This feature is specifically designed for setting up bills that need to be sent out at regular intervals, such as monthly subscriptions or recurring services. With the new repeating invoice option selected, you'll enter the setup page. Here you'll define the specific details of your recurring invoice. Take some time to fill in the necessary fields such as the contact, invoice date, due date, and the frequency, how often you want the invoice to be repeated, like weekly or monthly. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any billing errors down the line. Once you've filled in all the required information, it's time to save your setup. Look for the save button and give it a click. This action ensures that all your hard work in configuring the invoice doesn't go to waste. Next, you'll need to enter the email address of the recipient to ensure your invoice reaches the right person. Type in your contact's email and double check for any typos, which are surprisingly easy to make yet crucial to avoid. Finally, once all details are confirmed and you're satisfied with the invoice setup, go ahead and click on Done. This final step confirms the creation of your recurring bill in Xero. From now on, Xero will automatically handle the sending of this invoice according to your specified frequency, freeing up your time for other important business matters. And there you have it, you've just successfully set up a recurring bill in Xero. With practice, this process will become second nature.